got that bird. Here, Yankee. Looky there. You like the birdie. Yes, Yankee likes the birdie. Good job. This is what I have. Look over here.
He was already on the bird earlier.
Yeah.
Alpha.
Yeah.
It's like a minute ago, they weren't very interested in it. So it's kind of hard when you see these videos. You think, well, that one's not very interested. Well, just the minute changes and.
That's Charlie is tan and Bravo is gray, and that's Yankee, that's purple. This is Echo and Zulu.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, how are you?
Well, there's some still sleeping there, so it looks like there's about 8 here.
So you're brown.
It gives you a general indication.
What's your collar there?
Whether you got a birdie dog or not.
This is Delta.
Yeah, you see, she might have her minute in a minute.
What you think? What you think? Here, what's what I have? What? You gonna play tug of war with me? There you go, tug of bird. Where's the little one sit there? Are you awake yet? Are you awake? Come on. Are you awake? Come on, my little blue girl. Just look at the cute face.
Where is it?
That's Zulu.
I thought she was already in there.
Well, she was. Now she's not too sure. She's kind of thinking about going back to go sleep. Oh, poor bird's head here. Ah.
Really give it.
Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, birdie. Get that birdie. Get that birdie. How's everybody doing?
Yeah, that's
Somebody's
all right.
sleeping.
They're all react the same, and they're gonna try to bite the bird and carry the bird around, get the bird once they
Bite my shoes.
have a few minutes.
What's that? Echo. Yeah. In the dark blue.
You got another bird over there.
Yeah, it's called my pant leg.
Oh, somebody's pooping a pebble out.
Yeah, probably.
Just one little pebble came out. Be careful, it's a shiny thing there.
Oh, okay. Did he not move anywhere else?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, maybe he's going to go over and find another place to go.
Oh, we go outside.
Where did he go?
Yeah, I don't know. Right there. To your left, I think.
That's a piece of food. Somebody already. Oh, there it is. Oh, no, I think it's a piece of food. Oh, here. Let me rescue the bird. Sorry, bird. There you go.
Yeah, that's why we got a bag.
Oh, I got to bite through it. Have to get the cage.
So it's got a hole in it, didn't it?
It just about does kind of have a hole. Almost
Yeah.
thinking about making.
Oh, this is good for the day. We'll put a cage up Sunday.
Alrighty.
Guess we can use the big yellow cage and then
Are you okay?